Hi friends, in the last two videos we know that what is simple if and other one is called as if else, and in this video we will talk about the concept of nested if. Okay, so what is the meaning of nested? So nested is nothing but if within another if statement, or if within if else statement, or if else within if. Okay, so these are the some kind of possibilities of nested if. So if within another if, we can call it as nested if statement. Okay, so let us verify the syntaxes and followed by the workflow and examples. Let's take one real-time example. Are you going for some city by flight? So there are two kind of checkings. The first checking is ticket as well as your ID proof, both are verified first time. Second time, your baggage, okay, and your body is going to be scanned, right? If both conditions are true, then your journey will be started. Okay, so first verification of your identity and the second one is verification of security. If both are true, then your journey will be started in the airport, right? So in the similar manner, we are going to executing nested if statement in the C program. We are writing if statement. Okay, we are writing if statement if followed by condition 1. If condition 1 is true, then some statement is executed, and after that again we are writing one more condition. If this condition is also true, then these statements are executed. See, if condition 1 is true, this is statement 1, 2, 3, assume that. So if condition 1 is true, then first statement is executed. If condition 2 is true, 2, 3 will be executed. Total 1, 2, 3. 3 will be executed. For example, if condition 1 is true and condition 2 is false, then only first statement is executed. Only this is executed and these 2, 3 are not executed. See, there is one more context, like if condition 1 is true, if condition 1 is false, okay, then no statements are executed because it is not executed and it is not executed, right? So this is the way we have to executing nested if. Nested if means if within another if statement. This is one kind of example. See, there are three variables like A, B, C, and the data type is integer, and I want to compare A with the B as well as A with the C. So in this context, I'm going to use nested if. If A is greater than B, then I'm going to write A is bigger than B. So similarly, if A is greater than C, then I'm going to write A is bigger than B and C also. Okay, so like that we have to assume the program. Okay, so A is greater than B as well as A is greater than C, then ultimately A is the bigger one. You can clearly observe that there are three variables A, B, C. If A value is bigger than B value as well as C value, A will be printed. If B value is bigger than A and B, B will printed, like that.